Everyone, this is Sona Sunni, a manifestation mindset mentor, and today I'm going to talk about how to use the law of attraction and what to gain from it. And I want to say this, I'm not going to get into alignment because you do have to be aligned in the manifesting, but I'm going to keep it simple for you, okay? First of all, you have to believe. Just like the Bible said, have faith and I'll show you, not the other way around. So you have to have a strong, unwavering belief and trust that the universe is going to provide that manifestation for you. Okay, that's number one. So you got to believe that, Then you ask and you shall receive. You ask, and then you shall receive. But a lot of people, when it comes to the receiving part, they don't know how to receive. And I'm gonna use this because people can relate to this. All right. So you go on Amazon and you're looking for something. I'm a big Amazon user. I order everything off of Amazon. If I can avoid from going to the store, I'm avoiding from going to the store. So you go on Amazon and say, for instance, you want a camera. Okay, I ordered this camera, guys. I lost the instructions. I put videos on here and I can't get them off. But anyway. You say you want a camera, and you want this camera like really quick, so you go to Amazon Prime, and you place your order, and you pay for your order, and you know that it's going to come within a day or two, right? Okay. Basically, manifestation is like ordering from Amazon Prime. Are you constantly looking for that camera to show up? No, you know that that package is going to be there. It's going to get delivered at the time it's supposed to get delivered. So, with that said, and why is the phone ringing? The phone never freaking rings. So, basically, you have to order and just leave it alone and let it come to you. Okay, I'll be glad when the phone stopped ringing. And it's still ringing. There we go. So anyway, you have to ask for it and be open to receive it. So you have to think of your manifestations as Amazon Prime. And when you focus on a manifestation, it's best to start out with one at a time, because you don't want to get overwhelmed with those packages. Okay? Let's take a deep breath. Close your eyes. Let it go. I hope you guys are taking notes. I forgot to mention to take notes. Please take notes, especially this one. Next one is to be grateful. You know what? When you shift from negative to being grateful, that actually speeds up your manifestation. So you have to show gratitude. You could say thank you and just say thank you and put that emotion behind it and just say thank you. And that also helps you release it and forget that manifestation. It's coming. You ain't got to look for it. You ain't got to look up on the desk. You ain't got to look in the trash for it. It's coming. So that one is number 3. Number 4, just prepare yourself. Keep thinking positive thoughts. Because let me tell you something. Manifestation does not come from a current thought. It comes from a past thought. I'm going to repeat this again. Manifestation does not come from a current thought. It comes from a past thought. So you have to be conscious of your thoughts. And I believe I mentioned this in a past video. So you have to be conscious of your thoughts. Okay? You know, number 5. And so if you want something, focus on it. You can focus on it initially. Just like when you're searching for your camera on Amazon. You're focusing on trying to find that right camera. You focus on it. But at the same time, once you make that order, you detach from it. You forget about it. Just like your Amazon order. You forget about it. You know it's coming. So you got to know it's coming. And it's so funny. I did a video on YouTube about how I manifested this apartment. I still laugh at myself when I watch that video because I was straight tripping. Because, you know, the nonprofit that was paying the money for me to move into this apartment came at me at the last minute. I'm staying in my hotel, and they're talking about, oh, you're not going to move in today. I'm like, excuse me? What do you mean? We don't have anybody to sign the check. Oh, no, somebody going to sign that check today. Somebody signed that check today. At that moment, because that was a challenge. And let's talk about that too. When you have a manifestation and you have a challenge that comes at you, you know that shit is close. And I was close to moving into that apartment. And I had to navigate to make sure I was moving into that apartment that day. I did prepare for the worst. I had made arrangements to stay somewhere else. But I took inspired action. I started researching. So who was the executive director of the nonprofit? I reached out to the executive director, told him what happened. And an hour later, that's like, can you meet me at the apartment? We got the check signed. There you go. I did not let my belief waver because I knew I was moving into that apartment that day. So that is number 5. Okay. Number 6 is visualizing. Now, guys, I want to talk about visualization. And when you visualize, you have to see yourself in there with somebody. And the key to visualization is repetition. With anything, it's repetition. So you can use this visualization technique through meditation, or you can just quiet your mind. Also, the reason why I have you take a deep breath and close your eyes because it calms the clutter in the mind. So when you want to visualize, you take some deep breaths first, and then you play that movie of where you want to be and the person you want to be. And you visualize it and you feel it and you put that emotion behind it. They tell you you act as if, because the brain doesn't distinguish if what's reality or not. The brain doesn't know how to do that. So basically, that's the key to visualization. And I'm telling you guys, I'm giving you a lot of information here. So with that, I want to talk about what you can gain from the law of attraction. First of all, you can gain love from the law of attraction. But in order to gain love, you have to be love. You have to love yourself. So, you know, that's one thing you can gain. Second thing is wealth. People, I tell you, a lot of people want to know how to manifest money. And, you know, you can gain wealth with the law of attraction. You can be a minority that's able to experience life. Another thing, mental peace. That's my goal, y'all. I want some mental peace. You know, everybody have their challenges. I have my challenges. I am going through some stuff right now myself. I can't even discuss it. But it's a legal matter, and I am going through some challenges right now because I already know the manifestation I'm manifesting right now is coming very close. And those challenges comes up to test your faith and test your belief. Another thing you can gain from the law of attraction is self-esteem. When you start really brainwashing yourself, brainwashing that brain, you build confidence, you build self-esteem, you're more present, you'll be able to handle judgment, criticism, be able to handle a lot of things. And after being peaceful, and when you have that peace, and you get that self-esteem and that confidence, oh my God, the next step will come forth is you manifesting your dreams. And you don't care what anybody say, your family members, whatever, you don't care. They're on the sidelines. Let them watch. And when they watch, it be like, they're going to see the outer appearance of your manifestations, but they're not going to see what you went through to obtain those manifestations. The law of attraction is simple, but it's not easy to navigate. And you have to choose the right mentor to take you through the steps in order to truly manifest your desires. And this is where I come to my masterclass, Manifest Like a Boss super class. It's 10 videos. If you want access to it, definitely click that link below. I am giving you a $900 discount. I am sponsoring you for this course. It's only $97. What coach is out there right now is going to give you a 10 course showing you the tips and tricks to get your dreams manifested quickly? Because I was still looking for that coach too. I haven't spent thousands of dollars on coaches to give me a bunch of bullshit. Excuse my French. Wasted money. Oh, we can have you up in business in 30 days. Gave me a whole bunch of junk. Didn't show me how to apply it to my business. I'm going to show you how to manifest your dreams. And I'm going to give you a lot of value. So again, click the link below. And I'll see you on the other side.